Ever pulled a load of dishes from your Samsung dishwasher expecting sparkling, cleanliness, only to find them just kind of warm and not quite clean? It's incredibly frustrating to run a full cycle and still have lingering grease or spots, feeling like your dishwasher is just going through the motions. Don't worry, you're not alone, and today we're going to dive into the most common reasons why your Samsung dishwasher isn't heating water and exactly how you can fix it to get those dishes perfectly sanitized again. Before we dive into opening up your dishwasher, let's make sure it's not a simple saying issue. Sometimes features like a wash or skipping the heated, dry option can make it seem like your water isn't heating, when in fact the machine is just doing what it's told. Double-check your selected wash cycle, ensure heated, dry is engaged if you want maximum heat, and make sure no energy-saving modes are active that might reduce heating. This quick check can save you a lot of time and hassle. Alright, if settings aren't the culprit, the prime suspect for a lack of hot water is often the heating element itself. This is the component at the bottom of your dishwasher responsible for actually warming the water. You can often do a visual inspection for cracks, burns, or breaks, but for a definitive answer, you typically need to test it for continuity with a multimeter, ensuring power can flow through it. The faulty element simply can't generate the heat needed for sparkling dishes.
Think of the thermostat and thermal fuse as your dishwasher's safety net. They're there to prevent overheating if either of these components fails, usually due to age or an internal short. They'll cut power to the heating element as a protective measure, leaving your water cold. You'll typically find a high-limit thermostat and potentially a thermal fuse near the heating element or control panel. Testing these for continuity with a multimeter is crucial to see if they are still doing their job or have become open circuits.
Your Samsung dishwasher relies on a smart little component called a thermistor or temperature sensor to accurately read the water temperature. If the sensor gives incorrect readings to the control board, the dishwasher might think the water is already hot enough even when it's still cold and won't activate the heating element. While less common, sometimes a faulty main control board itself can fail to send the heat up signal even with good readings from the thermistor. Checking the thermistor's resistance and inspecting wiring to the control board are the next steps in diagnosing these bray issues.